going on today, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. A lot of people say, Eric, what happened, man? You went out of business? Where you been, man? I haven't seen you on YouTube. What's going on? Well, here's what's been going on. Let me share some secrets with you right here. Security system in use. It says camera in use, but you know what I'm saying. Welcome to my new space, my new office. Let me set you guys up right here so I can just talk to you. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. So just a quick, reference of what you're looking at here. You can fit 3 full-size trucks and you would still have plenty enough room on this side. I mean, keep going. Can't you see me, right? I'm just kidding. But you can fit 3 trucks, full-size trucks in here. That's not going to happen. Up here, right here, is going to go my vet. I just purchased the vet this year. Super excited about that. This is a dream car of mine. I got another dream car I want to get this year. The missus is like, you're not putting a ramp in the house, honey. You got all these guys coming over. Please go get a space. And for the last year, I've been really looking for a space to call my own, especially, when we're doing gutter cleaning, power washing, window cleaning. Just, you accumulate so many items and stuff, right? And listen, the cars were coming over, 22 subcontractors every single day, Monday through Friday. It's getting too much, okay? So this is gonna be a great central location off of M59 if you're familiarized with Michigan. Super stoked about being off 59. I was waiting for a place off 59, and I wanted to do it because it's a central location to Oakland and Macomb County. It's a stretch that goes right in between both of them, and you can get to either one really quickly, which I'm super stoked about. So the vet will go up there. That way I don't have to pay for storage for the vet in the wintertime. I'm not driving in the winter for sure, and on a really nice day, I'll get it over here and we'll be good to go. Up there we have storage. That is as big as my office is. It's huge. That upper storage is absolutely crazy huge up there, you guys. It's nuts. The lights, I gotta replace the lights. I want to just get a little brighter in here. And maybe redo the floor later on, but we've been in here 4 days, 4 solid days, something like that I have been, and I've been busting about my son, my little man. He's been helping me out, so it's been really cool. But this has been a long, long time coming, so come on over. The cool part is next door, this side, is a mechanic, okay? So the mechanic's over here full-time. He keeps his heat on. Over here, this guy is like a jiu-jitsu or karate or something. He's full-time, and he's got people over here constantly. And right now, it's 30-something degrees out, and it is 68 degrees. 68 degrees. I don't even have to warm this sucker up. I don't even have to turn my heat on up there. Right here. Woo! Right? Just some storage here that I put up. I'm going to put my other ladders over here. A bunch of power washing stuff that we have to still get to. Put a little workstation right here. It's not going to stay there. It's actually going to go over here. Then the refrigerator is going to go over here. Hot water tank's behind there. I guess I'll take you up the stairs here for the storage. This storage is ridiculous. I don't need this much room right now, to be honest with you. So I got a buddy that, look at this. This is a 50-inch, to give you a 50-inch TV box. We turn around. It's huge. It's so much storage. It's absolutely crazy. So my buddy owns a security system and phone business, and I told him if he wants to store some stuff up top, you're more than welcome to. That would be fine. I got security systems in here already. Bada boom, right here. There's another one in here. I don't want to share where that is, but there is another one in here. We can go let's go in the office. Woo! We're in the office. Nothing too crazy in here. Bathroom. Yeah! $100 bill, baby! That's what I'm talking about. All right, so this is a nice sink. We put this little nice sink in there just a little bit better, so if I want to fill water buckets up or whatnot, real nice. I like it. All right, that's it for the bathroom. Hey, wait, what's that sign? Happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right, over here, 50-inch TV. It's gonna have TV on it, things like that. But music, more for kids. If the kids come over, they can watch TV while Dad's out here working, or my nephews, because my My brother's wife is going to come over. My sister-in-law, she's going to be working here. So she's going to be a salary position coming up in March. So she'll be right here. This is her spot. I got it already setting up. There's my spot right there. But the day she's going to work 4 days in the office and then a day at home one of the days. So whatever day that is, somebody else can come over here and sit down and work. We're going to have another employee do boots on the ground, which is cool. They'll be full-time as well. Behind us, probably one of the most important areas, this is a whiteboard. This whiteboard is freaking huge. I bought it, this, I don't know, piece of, I don't know what you call it. I'll do a video on it, I suppose. Bought it for like 25 bucks at Home Depot, and it's a whiteboard material. And we'll be using that as a whiteboard, and we'll be putting out monthly goals and last year's year-to-date goals. Carpet, got carpet. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's about $8 grand. Just the stuff you start out with, and you start rocking and rolling. The desk here, I made this desk. It is 10 foot by, I don't know, deep wise, 20 inches long, deep wise. Little filing cabinet here to put all this stuff in. The printer's coming, wireless printer. Got a lot more stuff, you guys, that I got to put up and do. We have frontage, store frontage. Let me show you here. Dun, 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 dun. Take a look at these real quick. Look at these. Look at these. What? The window cleaners. What? Winter hats? What? Come on now. Come on now. And let's go out here. This is the storefront. You see? It's my pickup truck over there. We're going to do some more logoing on the windows itself, okay, which is going to be nice. We get this window, and that window, and then this door. I went ahead and I got this no soliciting sign, warning, security cameras in use, okay, and then I'll get my logo up on the front door. I should have printed out when I was at home, but I didn't do it, but not yet, of course. And then some stuff. Here's my vet that I have at home. It's going to be here sitting in the back and just having a little blast, you guys. Honestly, I never thought in my wildest dreams, well, I thought in my wildest dream, I had goals and ambitions and I just nailed it down. The problem is this year has been crazy for all of us, hasn't it? Hasn't it been nuts? March, I was crying my eyes out thinking I was going to lose everything I own. And I said, you know what? Enough is enough. I can't cry no more. I couldn't cry no more. I said, I got to get out there and start busting my butt because nobody else is going to bust their butt for me, right? I have to do everything because it's my business. Either I'm going to let it fail and blame, the pandemic and all this crazy stuff, or I get out there and hustle as hard as I possibly can. And to give you an idea, this is, my son goes, Dad, what is this little truck? This little truck, that's what I started in. I-75. I started in that little truck. Green bean, all right? And, look at the signs. Those are hand-created signs, even the back window. The back window, I didn't have enough money to get it printed out or anything crazy like that. I had machines back then. That was from book covers, you cover your books with. It was white, and I got out there and did that logo by hand, as you can certainly tell. And then that other big, let's see over here, this big sign that says window cleaning. Everybody was making fun of me and laughing. But it's been a long time coming, you guys. I tell you what, as long as you put, hard work, dedication, time management, anything that you do, you'll be successful at it. I promise you that. One of the things I want to say to you guys is put your goals down, crush them. Don't worry about what other people are doing or saying. Just focus on you. And remember to be true to yourself. And don't listen to the naysayers. And one of the best sayings, let me go share with you guys this saying that Mrs. wrote, and she gave to me. It was pretty sweet. There's just another security camera up there so we can see. Hey! Over here, it says, if people, I'll stoop down, you probably won't be able to read it. It says, if people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Isn't that the truth? Isn't that the truth, you guys? Isn't that awesome? But I wanted to share this with you guys. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but I just really focus on my family and my business. And I can definitely see the results. If I was so worried about putting another video out for YouTube for whatever reason, and you know, that's not going to get you to where you need to be. Where you need to be is busting your butt for yourself and, you know, creating something for you and your family and a legacy for you and your family. And at the end of the day, if my kids didn't want to go to college or just weren't happy with what they're doing, I'd created a space now that we're able to, for them to come over and work and have fun and enjoy and, you know, have their last name. And my nephew's excited to work, and it's just going to be awesome. So I have my sister-in-law working at a salary position. Another person's going to be at a salary position. I already have 2 workers that are already salary position. So we're going to do a video about how much money it costs to not only just run this shop every single month, but to run employees and run them to where, you know, they're being sufficient and they're helping out and they're cranking out every bit of money they can possibly get into this, but also making it fun for them, okay? Arcades are coming. I think I'm going to get an arcade. I don't know if it's going to hook up to this or maybe just an arcade game. Definitely going to have one of those, but you know, I have some big ideas, and this is only beginning, baby. This is only the first shop. I can't wait to get another shop and another shop and a bigger shop. So we're super stoked about that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, staying tuned, and just stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more that's happening. I love you guys. Enjoy yourself. See you guys later.